Hi everybody and welcome to the week of November 8th to November 12th. Today we are focusing on Friday, November 12th. Whoop, we've made it to Friday. For today we are working on Road Trip Nation, the third part. Your do now is going to be those grade checks because we've moved them from TRFs all the way out to Friday. But little birdie told me that Aries is down for you guys, so we did not do grade check for our do now today. Today I just checked in on you guys, but be aware that every Friday we will now be doing grade checks, okay? If you're unfamiliar with those, these are grade checks. They're located here under semester 1 grade check. Complete the following grade check for 1026. That was an old one. Make sure to complete step 1 and 2. It's due November 16th in class, but I will give an exemption on this one. The rest of class, we worked on Road Trip Nation 3. Let me show you what that looks like, just in case you're like, what is that? Right here under Road Trip Nation 3. Read the following directions before starting it. You're going to take notes on the video Define, connect your interest to your careers. So here's your Cornell note template for you guys to take on the video. Okay, it's the basic Cornell notes that we're used to. Here is the lesson 3. I even left you the link, connect your interest to your careers. I expect you to take notes on this video. It's 7 minutes long. Take a couple notes, take a couple pointers. You guys are Avid students, you know what to do. After you have taken notes, you will be completing the lesson tasks and answering the 3 questions listed in 3 to 5 complete sentences. It's right here under Road Trip Nation lesson questions number 3. Okay. What are the pros and cons of having an exact plan of what you want to do with your future? The pros and cons staying flexible. You use the roadmap tool. I want you to try out different combinations to see your results. How do they change? What options are the most interesting to you? Why? And when you look closely at your roadmap results, what skills do you have that align with careers you're seeing? What other skills do you think you need to develop? You can use your Enneagram stuff here, chicos. We did an Enneagram project and I had you take notes on it. So do that if you feel like that will help you more, okay? If you didn't or couldn't find the link to the Road Trip Nation map, this is where you could go ahead and choose your interests and it would create a personal profile just for you, featuring leaders and interests. I did ask that you guys included whoever you were interested in, maybe watch a video from them on your Cornell notes, so that way it makes your Cornell notes a little bit more robust, because I know these videos can be a little bit short and a little bit harder to take notes on sometimes, so that is what we did. But yeah, that was our Friday. Make sure you get that in by Tuesday. Those are always due on Tuesdays. Alright guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. And I'll see you, other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.